This caramel sauce is so tasty and it is awesome. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a caramely caramel sauce. So hop on board and let's get cooking. This caramel sauce is so tasty, I can't stop eating it by the spoonfuls. I love putting it on vanilla ice cream, on apple pie. Place a small saucepan on medium heat. Add half a cup of full-fat coconut milk. Slowly add 1 cup of coconut sugar. Whisk it in. Just slowly add it in to incorporate it into the coconut milk. Let it heat up until it comes to a slow boil. Once it comes to a slow boil, reduce the heat to medium-low, stirring occasionally, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. About 5 minutes, we take 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. You can also use coconut oil if you want to use something a little bit more whole foods. Stir it until it melts. Add 1 teaspoon of molasses. Stir until well combined. Now let this cook for another 5 minutes until it starts to thicken up. After 5 minutes, remove from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine and let cool. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you could pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.